Good morning, Thursday morning, April 9th, 2026. And sometimes you have to come to a crossroad of finding out that, what you really can't eat the way you used to. You find out that you're going to have to cut out most fast food restaurants unless it's probably for a special occasion. But there are certain ones that you can still go to. You just got to find out what's going on with your health. Diet is a word that I hate using, but we have to use a dietitian. So I guess you do have to change your diet. Health-wise, you have no choice. However, there are certain measures that I have to take. Corner Bakery also has almond milk. Latte with almond milk from Corner Bakery. I can't really be drinking those coffees. And if you know what's good for you, you better follow the rules. Follow the rules of the engagement, or should I say, of the new situation that you must follow. I didn't change the toast. I guess it's okay. It's got grains in it. It's good enough. There are certain breads that are better for you, but grains is supposed to be even better. Depends. But you got to figure that out. I was depending on getting something more like oatmeal or something, but I decided to get eggs, and I didn't want all that stuff. Now, sometimes you can go with egg white, but since I like eggs, I just don't want a bunch of stuff in it that I don't necessarily need right now, all the vegetables. Just give me plain egg and chicken sausage on the side. That should be good enough if you have to change your diet around. It's veggie-like, except for without the veggies. Scrambled eggs, however you want it, and on the side. No other vegetables inside. Sometimes you don't want to be too picky in the restaurant, so you pick the best ones. Sometimes you have a few vegetables, and sometimes you won't. But this is what I'm having this morning for breakfast, along with my almond coffee. Nothing special indeed. Corner Bakery. They have almond milk. You can request it. You have to ask for your coffee. If you don't want any sweeteners in it, you can add it. I'm still out with that. I don't know if I want sweeteners in it. And that goes the same as leaving out, perhaps, many of my favorite fast food other places. What can I eat from my favorite burger place, Burger King? What can I substitute at Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Carl Jr., Jack in the Box? Checker Raleigh, Arby's. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be really challenging to figure out what's going to or what I'm going to eat next. I'll see you in my next video. This is a video of choices where you used to could eat almost everything you want in more portions, but you even have to check yourself, follow the rules of what your clinicians say, and still enjoy yourself eating, which is very hard to do. In my case, and many others out there. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bon appetit.